Today, we're diving deep into the core of how artificial intelligence actually learns.
Well, it's all thanks to a clever algorithm called gradient descent.
It is actually pretty simple. It learns by going downhill.
In the simplest terms, it's just a process for finding the lowest point in a mathematical landscape.
That bottom represents the best possible answer, the point with the smallest error.
To really get our heads around this, we're going to use a really powerful analogy, a journey downhill.
So I want you to imagine you're that biker. You're sitting on this vast, hilly landscape, and your one and only goal is to get to the lowest possible point as fast as you can.
So in the world of AI, what is this bottom? Well, it represents the point of minimum error. It's the model's best possible answer. Okay, so if you're this mountain biker, how do you actually navigate? You can't see the entire landscape at once. You're going to need a few tools. You'll need a map of the terrain, a compass, and a plan for how big your steps should be. These are the rules of the ride.
First things first, you need your map. In machine learning, this is called the loss function. You can think of it as a mathematical formula that just calculates how wrong the model's current guess is compared to the actual right answer. So a high score means a big error. You're way up on a high peak. A low score means you're getting close. You're down in a low valley. The entire goal is to get from those peaks all the way down to what we call the optimal minimum. Next up, you need a compass, and this is the gradient. The gradient is a vector that always points in the direction of the steepest uphill climb. It tells you the fastest way to go up.
We just flip it around. We move in the opposite direction, the direction of the negative gradient. Finally, we need to decide how big of a step to take. This is called the learning rate. Choosing the right step size is this really delicate balance. If you go too big, you might just leap right over the lowest point. But if your steps are too small, the journey could take forever.
When you're way up high on a peak, you take big, confident steps to cover ground fast. But as you get closer to the bottom, where the ground starts to flatten out, you take smaller, more careful baby steps.
So all of this, the map, the compass, the step size, it all comes together in one single core equation. The biker's new position is just their old position minus a step in the right direction. Theta is the biker's current coordinates on the map. Alpha is the size of their step, and that last part is the gradient, our compass pointing uphill, which we make negative to go down. That's it. The whole journey, all in one line.
This is literally how a machine learns from its mistakes to improve over time. It's beautiful, right?
What incredible, undiscovered valleys of knowledge are still out there, just waiting for a new algorithm to find them. So if this stuff gets you excited, well, there's a whole world to dive into next.
Our channel is all about breaking this stuff down. We help you really get these core AI concepts. So join us. Let's figure out this crazy, amazing future of AI together.